Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, left trunk, and left support bracket. Removal. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins on the top cover. Slide it out from under the heatsink and remove. Replacement. Tow the fan under the heatsink and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Connect the fan cable to its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.